Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is a Monday, so it's going to be pretty busy. So let's just get the day started. I was hoping to get my car wash done, but looks like there's some kind of moving being done here. So I can't get my car out of this driveway from here. So I'll have to wait for maybe a couple of hours to see if it will be done in time. In the meantime, I'll just head to the gym and I'll ask Pawan to drive me there, and let's see if by the time I come back, if the truck is gone, we'll go to the car wash. Alright, so the truck has moved just in time for us and I can just go ahead now. I'll hit the gym first and then I'll get my car washed. So we have just reached the gym now, and most likely we'll be hitting the legs today, and we'll also try and do a bit of cardio and then head to the car wash. Alright, done with gym now. Now let's go get the car wash done. So we have now put a $10 note here in this machine, and when you press the mix change OK, you get the coins here in this dispenser. You can also select if you want a dollar coin or a $2 coin there, and then it gets dispensed here. Yeah, we're getting all $1. Yeah. So this is the main console where you have to do most of your payment and selection process. So you can pay either by coins or you can tap your card here. And these are the presets that are available. It's generally stuck on off, and we usually take up the wash with soap and then rinse it and occasionally use the bubble brush. Alright, so I'll be starting with the wash and soap preset. I'll insert the dollar coin here and then select it. So we have now done with the wash and soap preset. We'll now move on to the tricolor conditioner.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
So now the tricolor conditioner coat is done. I've left it to sit for a couple of minutes, and now I'll be using the bubble brush. Alright, so now we've used the bubble brush. We'll finish it off with the rinse now. In goes the dollar coin. Alright, so the final rinse is done, and the car looks good as new. Alright, so the car wash is done. I will now head home and get ready for class today.
ये फंस गया सी.
I'm ready for the class now. I'm running late and I have to rush. I'll probably drive instead of taking the bus because I've only about 20 minutes. So see you. I'm in the CBD now, but it's awfully quiet today. I thought it will be all full of cars and buses, but it's quite peaceful. I should be in time. So I'm at the car park now. All you need to do is just press on this button and pull out the ticket and you're good to go. So I finally found a spot, but I don't think I'll make to class in time. The Master of Laws and the Master of Business Law and the PhD programs are conducted on the fifth floor of the law school building, and that is exactly what I'm doing right now. So I'm done with the classes for today and I'm heading home now. I have a friend with me, Stanley, and I'll be driving him home first. That's him. And after that, I'll probably head to the gym again and then just get to bed. Alright, so I'm home from the class now. 3 hours of really intense discussion and argument. I love environment law, so it was really good. And I had the chance to meet with Stanley. He's one of my close friends from the Master of Business Law course, and I think we'll be soon catching up for a dinner. It'll be me, Kasim, and Stanley and his family. So it'll be fun. And now I'll quickly get changed and I'll probably get down to cooking dinner and then planning the day for tomorrow. So we are in the kitchen now and we'll be cooking potato and peas and some rotis, and that's about it. That's the menu for tonight. Alright, so we are done making the rotis and we'll just head on to eat food. So that was the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for more videos.